sun looks creepy today. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. There, you're all dirty. Anyway, Friday morning's done. I believe this is day 75. Busy freaking day, busy weekend. Mama Badger's starting on our bathroom this weekend. I've got the clutch parts, so hopefully I can get silver all put together today. And then today, what was running through my mind on my motorcycle, jeez, motorcycles were running through my mind on my bike ride. I have a new bike coming to the channel, coming into my life, and it's a rescue bike. So I don't know what kind of shape it's going to be in. I just have to go pick it up. And I don't have a trailer. I've just never had the need for one. So I'll probably end up renting a U-Haul truck and trailer to go get it. But part of me is like, well, should I get a motorcycle trailer? I mean, motorcycles are pretty much my life, what I do every day. How often am I going to need a trailer? And, you know, where would I put the damn thing if I did get it? Because I like my room, and I just got rid of Mom and Dad to get my room back. So, I just don't know what I'm going to do. Anyway, thoughts to think about. And I can't wait to show you guys the new project here in the next few weeks. Anyhow, it's coffee time. It's Friday. We'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, so step by step we are getting back to normal after the hurricane. Today is fence day. We got the fencing company here. They're gonna put our fence up in the backyard. So excited. So this week's been a big week. Grandma and Grandpa got their own place. They're getting all their stuff moved out. We've got our fence going back up, so we're starting to get back to normal. We still have some repairs to the house to do, but I mean, nothing big. In fact, Mama Badger and myself are like, you know what, we may just do it, since we can't seem to find anybody that wants to do these smaller jobs. And look, I get it, there's big jobs out there to be done, and they're more desperate to get them done than we are too. So I'd rather them take care of people that really need it, rather than, you know, ours is just superficial essentially. So anyway, we got the new fence going up. I'm excited about that. It's Friday. I'm excited about that. And Mama Badger's gonna start working on her bathroom this weekend, so things are moving on. Anyway, guys, we'll catch you here in a few. Well, they jammed all day and they almost got it all the way done. Might have to come back in the morning for a little bit, but they only have a couple of sections of the fence left to put up. So they did a really good job. It looks really good too. Angie and I have been out here walking it a few times, and we're pretty happy. Now we just need to do all this. And of course, Angie's project. Oh goodness. And of course, Angie's projects on this weekend. The bathroom. We're getting ready to start it right now. But I thought I'd show you mostly the finished project before it gets too dark and they have to leave. Anyway, see you in a bit. All right, so I thought we were going to start on the bathroom tonight, but by the time we got Home Depot ran to and the grocery store, it's late, and Angie's like, I don't want to mess with it tonight. So that's fine. This weekend's projects, she's got that. You guys have seen this where it came apart. So I have a new one. But I got to thinking, I replaced this inside piece before, which is a separate piece. I have never replaced this piece. So this piece, that piece made it 140,000 miles. So I can't complain about that piece like quitting on me after 140,000 miles. So I'm going to replace it with a stock replacement, and I'm going to move on, because if I can get another 140,000 miles on it, I'll be more than happy with that. So that is this weekend's project for me. Once I get Mama Badger helped out and sinks and all removed. And once we get the sinks removed, she's gonna strip the countertop. She's stripping. And then she can start, I don't know, she's epoxying it or something. I don't know. I'm not the crafty guy. That is on her. We should have our fence all done tomorrow. That'll be awesome. And yeah, we should get a lot done this weekend if everything goes smoothly. Cross your fingers. I'm going to watch my one football game of the year this weekend. I think it's Super Bowl weekend. Is it the Super Bowl weekend? We call it the M&M Bowl. So since my girls were little, we watched the Super Bowl, but they were little girls. They could care less about the Super Bowl. So we made it the M&M Bowl. And at the beginning, everybody would pick a team. And every time your team scored, you got M&Ms. So the kids paid attention to the football game and hung out with the family because they were hoping to score a touchdown or extra points or whatever to get M&Ms. So that got them involved, and we still do it. Even though they're adults, Desi, I'm sure, will be working. Neve will be here. I don't know if Grandma and Grandpa are coming or not, but we will have the M&M Bowl like we have had since they were little kids. So that's kind of our tradition, and this is the one football game a year I watch. I do not know. Yeah, I do know who I'm rooting for. Got to be Kansas City because I am just not an Eagles fan in the least bit. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great weekend, and we will see you tomorrow, Super Bowl Sunday. See ya.